In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your GoDaddy account and which button to press so your site goes live with the latest changes. First, make sure you're signed into your GoDaddy account and head to your products page or dashboard. From there, select the store or website you want to publish. If you manage more than one project, take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one. The name, thumbnail, or brief description in your list can help you double-check. Opening the correct store ensures you're publishing the intended site and not overwriting something else by mistake. Once you select the store, you'll land in the site's dashboard and editor. This is where all your recent edits live. Before you publish, it's smart to do a quick review. Use the built-in preview to skim through your homepage and a couple of key pages like About, Shop, or Contact. Toggle between desktop and mobile views if that's available, so you can catch formatting issues early. Also glance at essentials like your logo, navigation links, and any featured products or images. If you spot a typo or a layout issue, fix it now. Publishing will push whatever is currently saved in the editor to your live site. When you're ready, look for the Publish Site button, typically in the upper right corner of the editor or dashboard. Click Publish Site. GoDaddy will process your changes, which can take a moment. You should see a confirmation message when it's done. If your domain is already connected to this site, the updates will appear at your domain. If you're using a temporary domain provided by GoDaddy, your site will go live there instead. Either way, give it a minute or two and then open your site in a fresh browser tab. If you don't immediately see changes, refresh the page or try a private browsing window to bypass cached content. After publishing, do a quick live check, click through a few pages, test buttons, and make sure contact forms, store checkout, and key links work as expected. If something looks off, return to the editor, make your adjustments, and click Publish Site again. Publishing isn't permanent in the sense that you can update as often as you need. It simply syncs your latest saved edits to the live version. That's all there is to it. Select the store you want to publish, then click Publish Site. Thanks for watching, and happy launching!